Hey guys, it's Ducky from TechAddicts here. Today we're looking at the Viper gaming mouse V570 from Patriot. Hardware-wise, it feels really nice and fits my hand nicely. However, the side buttons will actually take a little bit of getting used to. On the bottom it has ceramic feet that allow it to glide around super easy. It should make the bottom pads last a lot longer than the normal plastic ones that you get with most mouses. The LED lighting is pretty cool, with 7 LED zones that you can set independently of one another. The scroll wheel is a little bit interesting, however, as you can tilt it to the right but not to the left, and it's not actually a tilt scroll wheel. So if you tilt it to the right, it actually just counts as a normal middle click. The sensor that's included in it is an Avago ADNS 9800 laser sensor. What this means is it's a laser sensor, so it'll track really well on pretty much any surface. However, it can suffer from acceleration issues when you're using really low mouse sensitivities. So a lot of gamers will actually say, don't use a laser mouse. But I found I couldn't really tell. It worked really fine for me. Software wise, it has all of the options that you'd expect from a normal gaming mouse, including the ability to set any of the mouse buttons to whatever you like. It has all the normal options for sensor settings, so you can set your DPI settings from 800 up to 1200. I don't know why you'd want to do 1200, but you can do it. It has a macro editor, which you can use to set up macros. For example, here's one I've written that lets me just type GG easy at the end of a game. And in settings, you've got your USB polling rate. Obviously, just set it to 1000. That's a 1 millisecond response time, and it's good. It's nice. I like it. As for lighting effects, you've got all your normal wave and random effects, as well as you can customize it to pick any one of your 7 lighting zones and set it to whatever you like. All up, I feel it's a solid mouse. The LED lighting's really nice and easy to set up. The software does the job. It's not the best software I've used, but it's far from the worst. The ceramic feet actually make it feel really nice and it just glides perfectly. The sensor for tracking, I didn't have any issues with it myself, but I know some people are going to get upset that it's a laser mouse and not an optical mouse. But it does have its pros and cons. The side buttons, however, are going to take a bit of getting used to because they're just positioned a bit oddly. That's been my review on the Patriot Viper gaming mouse. It's good. I'm going to give it 7.5 out of 10.